everyone. My name is Sadhana Chaudhary. I'm a senior manager, Hilux International Private Limited, Pune 4 branch. I have a wonderful family of busy bees. I have completed my graduation in science and education and post-graduation in literature. My husband is doctorate and he has retired as executive director OCPL. I have 2 children. Both of them have completed their post-graduation plus professional courses and are working in MNCs. So once it happened, I caught the sight of Hilux cookware and I thought, oh ye to uche log uchi pasand. This is for rich people only, and I just neglected it. But then once it happened that Sunita madam and Jayashri ma'am, our president branch director, told me that there is huge business opportunity in this cookware. Being retired and enjoying the cozy life, I said, okay, कुछ तो भी ऊंचा करके देखते हैं, कुछ तो भी तूफानी करके देखते हैं, and then I joined. But my attitude naturally is पहले इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास करो. So I took the cookware, I used it, and I tried and judged it for baking, roasting, steaming, cooking, pressure cooking, everything, and then जिसने भी खाया वाह वाह किया. Then I said, yes, Hilux है जहाँ तंदुरुस्ती है वहाँ. Then I said, okay, doesn't matter, we can take this health to other people also. I was highly curious about the business strategies, and so I attended all the meetings regularly. I was very fortunate to have the first meeting with Girish sir, who is the finest marketing brain and the company regional director. So I enjoyed his examples and the way he talked, and I decided that I will continue the career in Hilux now. So Urmila ma'am, then the area director, she took charge of me, and then she made plans for my promotions like TL, TM and senior TM. Then she said you can qualify for Club Royal. So I hardly believed in that it will all happen. But I kept on enjoying my work heartily. And along came all these promotions, and followed was the income after retirement. Yes, though little, something is better than nothing. So this income after retirement, then I had developed my personality, like ability to connect with multitudes. Time freedom was already there, and then I had an excellent team of highly talented friends. What more a lady like me wants? These are the best accessories I could get. I was highly impressed with the people who were working at that time, and then I could have some highlights in my career. Along with my beautiful teammate Meenakshi, I could sell, both of us could sell 3 Milanos, 3 Perfectos and 3 16cm regular in just one healthy good food show. And rather than that, the certification from the Metal Master Kirloskar was much more important for us. Along with my other teammate, Mrs. Sujata, who had the charming manners and highly fine personality, we could sell 3 Monzas, 3 Trentos, 5 Perfectos in a day. So that was another high mark in my career. And of course, there was a big gasp in the Hilux fraternity. So here, this recognition and then gradual promotions took place, and I continued further. Then I was told that yes, I'm qualified for the Club Royal also. That was the happiest moment. I didn't expect all these things, but then the Club Royal was the rich celebration of, or rather a get-together of all the Hilux champions, and it had out-of-the-way arrangement, so that even a newcomer like me was feeling quite at ease. There, I could see MDs and RDs, regional directors, for the first time, and when he addressed when the MD, Mr. Stanley sir addressed, it was just the display of his quality quotient plus the champion's skill. I liked the whole of the atmosphere, and of course it was the 5-star hotel stay. Though capsuled for just 3 days, the luxuries were amazing. We could enjoy it all. Then there were continuous celebration, continuous events arranged one after the other, and the administration was highly appreciable. I would like to tell you the programs they arranged were first the address with lot many good examples and highly motivating speech. Then it was followed by dance competition. To enjoy dance also in this age was not less for me. Then it was followed by fashion show, and then there were lot much luxurious items and continuous unending stream of sumptuous food and desserts. I enjoyed it all, and there is not much in Hillux, especially for the housewives. It's a golden opportunity. And when I saw the simple housewives have done a lot of progress and personality development there, I was highly impressed. Yes, I took this permanent memory of their expertise with me as much as I have the impression of my Hillux cookwares. And then with heavy gratitude, I would thank the creator of Hillux family, that is Stanley sir, Regional Director Girish sir, and Area Director Urmila ma'am, Branch Director Jayashree ma'am, and the whole of my loving team. Dear friends, we have life only once. We should chase these dreams, and if we live it right, once life is also enough. Thank you so much.